Hello, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Leah.
And we're here today at Thornmoor Forge. Originally a chapel, over the years it's been lovingly converted into a 4-bedroom substantial property.
It has the benefit of 4 acres, which is split into paddocks, perfect for livestock. It also has an array of outbuildings. So come and follow us as we explore this property. So, welcome inside.
And you'll notice we've got this lovely, welcoming reception space.
Welcome into this primary reception room, which is the lounge. It has this wonderful focal point fireplace, which is a granite fireplace with inset wood burner and slate mantel. The kitchen and dining area is light, airy and very spacious. It has a lot of potential to make a kitchen bespoke to you and your cooking needs. I love this large, spacious landing, and just look at that view.
We've got 4 bedrooms up here, all of which are large enough to accommodate a double bed. Thornmoor Forge is heated via oil-fired central heating, and of course those PV solar panels help mitigate the energy costs of the home. There's also a generous sized family bathroom WC with a separate shower cubicle. We also have UPVC double glazed windows.
Attached to the property there is a workshop which is access outside. It is perfect if you need a home office or a study or just got a hobby that you enjoy.
And you join me and my friends here just across the road because we have got 4 acres of land with this property. And not just that, there's a great selection of outbuildings, stabling, sheds and stores as well.
The land is currently split up into paddocks, as you can see, and is great if you've got horses and livestock or just maybe want to grow your own fruit or vegetables. Behind me here there is an array of solar panels, perfect to generate electricity on sunny days like today. The selection of outbuildings here currently contains a large shed and also 3 stables. However, you could look at erecting more modern purpose-built units subject to planning permission for a various range of uses.
And the barn here is perfect for the equestrian enthusiast because in this particular barn you've got space for tack, for your feed, power, there's light, there's water, and there's a number of additional stabling facilities in here, and also a falling box. The property is located in the heart of West Devon, within good striking distance of the A30 dual carriageway. Within a few miles is Rowford Lake with all of its water sports and recreational facilities and long walks. Externally, there is plenty of off-road parking and a large detached garage with store at the side, as well as a lean-to wood store area. And here at the back, we've got a lovely, level, well enclosed and sheltered area of garden to be able to enjoy.
There's a lovely southerly aspect, beautiful on sunny days like today. So if you'd like some more information, then contact us at Fine & Country Launceston on 015 66 77 1919.